A breezy afternoon on a Thursday. Not Thursday. On a Tuesday. I don't really like it because it's Tuesday. I don't like Tuesdays or Mondays. I like Wednesday and Thursday, Friday. Wednesday because it's Wednesday. And it's after school. If it was Friday after school, I would have been fine with it, but still. Anyways. Oh, bless you, Roxy.
Oh my god, thank you.
Welcome back, everybody. I'm Chip, your host of Years in Gasoline. And this is our co-host, Amelia. Say hi, Amelia.
Hi, Amelia. What the heck are you looking at?
Anyways, what I'm going to be talking about today is some project about middle school, I guess. I really don't know. The thing says middle school memories.
Bro, imagine.
Bro, shut up. Anyways, so there's these 6 things that I have to do that are middle school related. So yeah, the cringe gaming intro then. 4, 5, 6. Oh, I dropped some of my food. Okay, we're back. So first off, before we get into this boring stuff, we're being sponsored. Very surprising, right? You know what a sponsor is? It doesn't matter. Yeah, very surprising, right? Want to guess what our sponsor is? Go on, guess. Fly. Guess. 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 I don't know if you guessed, because this is a camera. This is a camera, computer camera, and I'm talking to a computer, and a 5-year-old girl. Same thing. Anyways, our sponsor today is Toyota. Very cool, right? Yeah. Want good reliability in your car? You want good reliability? You want a car that breaks down all the time? Yeah, me neither. You should get a Toyota then. There's one in our front yard. It's the van. Yeah. A 2016 Toyota Sienna. I think that's how you say it. Front wheel drive V6 engine. Psych, we're not being sponsored. I only have 19 subscribers. Why would I be sponsored?
Hurry up, say your stuff. And say your stuff.
Oh. So, there is the first thing, which is a quote. The quote that stands out to me. That one quote is, "It doesn't hurt them if they don't know." This quote made by me sticks out to me because sometimes it's best to do something without someone knowing. Pardon. Alright, okay then. Second is a video game that sticks out to me. I have 2. First one's Call of Duty, Black Ops 1 and 2, and Modern Warfare 4. Yeah. Call of Duty shaped me and my childhood growing up. All I had was an Xbox 360 and Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4. And everything else, like food, water, and the house. Thank God. And that gave me my love for guns. That was kind of cringe.
Call of Duty Black Ops 2 is so good. I love the transit map, and if someone hates that map, then I'm gonna do something about it.
Oh, for real, I love transit. Anyways, the second game is the Forza Horizon series. And by series, I mean 1, 4, and 5.
wasn't that good.
Yeah, I know. The car sounds suck. And there was pretty much, only one rear wing, spoiler, that you could put on your car. But why Forza Horizon 1, 4, and 5 really connect with me is that they are the car games that made me have a soft spot in my heart, and it gave me the knowledge that I didn't have about cars in the 6th grade that I have now. And remember when I said I only had one game on my Xbox that was Modern Warfare 4? Well, that was a lie. That was a lie. Oh, I thought I was gonna sneeze. I also had the demo. Yes, a demo. I was dumb. I had the demo of Forza Horizon 1.
I'm not that into cars, but I understand you.
Thank you.
No problem.
Third, goals for the future. Now, I have some goals for the future, and I'm sure Amelia does too. My main goal is that I hope to become top rally driver for Subaru, just like Colin McRae. And I do want to win the WRC World Rally Championship at least 3 times, yeah. I also want to compete in Formula Drift. If you don't know what that is, go search it up. Same thing with WRC. Man, I need a haircut. I want to compete in Formula Drift at least once. Now, Amelia, what are your goals, if you have any? Commercial break. Okay, we're back.
My goal is to work at Buc-ee's in the future because I love it, and I'm wearing it right now.
Okay, nice. On to the next. Fourth. This is 4. Fourth. My treasures. My only treasure that I have are my diecast cars. Diecast is just like metal. Just metal cars. Which is like Hot Wheels. And bigger cars. This is a good taco.
Very good. I agree.
Shout out to you, Mom. Love you. Okay.
Thank you for everything.
My only treasure that I have are my diecast cars. And there are like 4 that I treasure the most. The first one is this one called Twinduction. Twinduction because those 2 little things right there. Pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Alright. It's a really good car. Mainly just because of the looks, but you see it's gold painted with blue streaks. And what's also cool is that those 2 things here are the intake manifolds. It's the thing that scoops up air, like if you're driving. The air is pushing this way, and it's eating up the air because engines are like a heart, are like the lungs. So cars are a living thing in a way because it eats and it breathes. This is the first Hot Wheel that I ever owned, and that's why it has a special place in my heart. Ooh, who cars is that? Yeah, it sounds like a little Subaru. You hear that?
Yeah, I do.
Alright. Second. Let me scratch myself. The second car is this 22B STI. Farted. The 22B STI was driven by Colin McRae in the WRC. Yeah, remember him? I was talking about him earlier. Remember? Yeah. The dude's like my role model. Yeah, it smells, doesn't it? It was driven by Colin McRae in the WRC with the legendary 555 livery. Yeah. Look. I'll show a picture. That's why I hold a special place in my heart, because it was in the WRC, and I hope to drive it one day. I hope the recent one. Third is a Torino. This white little car. Let me tell you about it. The AE86 Torino was made popular in the late 1990s anime show called Initial D. If you like cars, you gotta watch it. It's really good.
Yeah, it is.
You've watched it? Oh yeah, you watched the movie with me.
Yes.
Yeah, there's also a movie, a live action, made in like 2006. It's not that good. It doesn't have any Eurobeat, which is what makes it good. Anyways, it was in the anime show called Initial D. That's why I love this car. It was a car made in anime about cars. It was driven by main character Takumi Fujiwara. The 86 was a rear-wheel drive, rear tire spin hatchback that had a TRD Toyota Racing Development Group A 4A-GELU. I do not know what that stands for. Inline 4 double overhead camshaft, or DOHC, with a turbski. That means turbo. Yeah, note that. That means turbo. That made around 240 horsepower. Yeah, that's not a lot though, because Mom's minivan makes a lot more than the Torino. Mom's minivan has 266 horses in the engine. Yeah, and it's not turboed. Ow. Mainly because Mom's minivan is a V6 and not an inline 4. Anyways, yeah, that's the Torino.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Sorry. Good. And the fourth car is my very own project car. A 2005 Subaru Impreza STI. No, not the disease. The car. This car is a car that costs around $3,000 to $5,000. Yeah.
That's a lot.
Now that's cheap. You can get the newer one for like $36,000. Yeah, major difference. It's okay. Anyways, we're having lighting issues. Let me go turn on the lights. What I'm doing to this car, I'm gonna paint it Pearl WRC blue, give it gold BBS tires, and do a little body work. I will also give it a livery. If you don't know what that is, search it up, because I'm not gonna tell you. And I will show a picture, maybe, if I can find a picture of what I'm gonna make it look like. And this car is very special to me because, one, it's a Subaru with 300 horses and a Boxer Turbskis engine. 300, that's more than Mom's van, and it's older than Mom's van. Yeah, Mom's van is 2016 and this is 2005. This car's older than me. I was born in 2007, this was made in 2005. This thing's 2 years older than me, so it's 16 years old. Yes, that is correct.
Yeah.
Okay, 2. The car is cheap. Like I said, it's $3,000 to $5,000. There's a bug on my laptop. Ew.
Ew.
And 3. 3. It's fun as hell. This car has a manual 6-speed, symmetrical, all-wheel drive. I do not know what symmetrical means. I know what all-wheel drive is, no tire spin. But yeah, just go search it up.
I really like
Me too. They're nice. The 15 is what I'm looking to do that. Wow. So smart. Yeah. And early release, just so I can take my cruise in a suit. What about you, Lil?
I'm looking forward to get a small house.
I didn't do that in high school, but okay. Oh, yeah, maybe we did,
Maybe in my 20s.
that's the sixth and final advice is to 6th grade me. If you knew me in 6th grade, man, I was warning, I'm about to go off on myself. Okay. First, shut the F up. You talk too much. Second, you are not the hottest thing in the world. You are not funny. Third, you're not gonna pull anybody. Don't even try. Wait till you're in mid 7th grade until you have a better taste in girls. Fourth, listen to Dad. I'm sure you wouldn't like him smacking you in the back of the head just because you used cold water to wash your hands.
Jesus, man, calm down.
I am calm. I'm gonna get a drink. You want anything?
I'm okay.
Okay.
What are you doing?
I'm getting a drink. I'm getting a drink. Yeah, I'm getting a drink.
I'm gonna just do the outro.
Okay, sounds good. Peace, guys.
That would be it for today. I hope you enjoyed and thanks for watching, and don't forget, it's okay to hit the brakes in something.
And don't forget, don't put gears on gasoline or don't put gasoline on gears.
Yeah, that on that.
Bye, guys. Wait. Disclaimer. There is a person on YouTube named Gears and Gasoline. We are not trying to be like him. This is only a school project. Do not sue me. I am only 14 years old and I do not have money. Okay, bye.